How to fix YouTube link thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix the YouTube link thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp, then first you need to open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, now for example I'll be choosing a video. Once you've chosen a video, now tap on share and then go with WhatsApp and send that to a person. Tap on send, and if you're not being able to have the thumbnail on that video, then it might be because there are some bugs in either WhatsApp or YouTube. And to fix that, go to your settings. Once you're under the settings, now you need to scroll all the way down and look for the apps section. Tap on apps, and under apps you need to go with see all apps and then simply go with YouTube. Under YouTube you can go with storage and cache, and you can go with clear cache. And you can do the same thing with WhatsApp also. Simply go with the WhatsApp application, go with storage and cache and clear the cache. And after doing this, you need to make sure that you've updated all of the applications like your WhatsApp and your YouTube. Make sure to update the application from your App Store or your Play Store, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your YouTube link thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.